How to change language in Diablo Immortal. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are looking for a way to change the language setting in the Diablo Immortal game, then the first thing to do is to open up Diablo Immortal on your smartphone or your tablet, and from the main gameplay screen, go to the upper right hand corner and tap on the menu button. From the menu that appears on the screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button, and then it'll take you to the settings menu. From here, make sure you're inside the General tab, and then under General, tap on the text language option at the top and select a different language you want to change to for your display. Now click OK and the game will restart in your chosen language. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.